So a lot of my friends Juul, which is a nicotine device that doesn't smell too strongly. There have been many conflicts in the past that I have observed involving people fighting over the Juuls and people getting defensive over quitting.
So, bro, you still been drilling lately?
Yeah.
Dude, like, that's like pretty unhealthy, like, and super unattractive, dude.
Hey, bro, it's none of your business. My body, my rules.
Dude, you're always telling me what to eat, like telling me what to do. Stop eating junk food, stop eating sugary cereals, dude. Like, it's none of your business either.
Well, that's because it makes your breath stink and it gives you body odor.
But I don't smell that bad, bro. Like, at least I don't fiend for nicotine like you, dude.
I can quit whenever I want, alright? Nothing's gonna change your death breath.
As you can see, my roommate's style under stress is starting to become more apparent. His fingers are starting to be pointed more violently, and his voice has been raising and becoming far more harsh.
Dude, you suck, man. I wish I had a better roommate.
My style under stress is more apparent when I try to avoid the conflict and distract myself. My roommate is at the edge of violence with this conflict. Fist closed at my remarks, he is ready to fight. At this point, I realize now that the stakes are high and I need to figure out a way to return back to the point of mutual respect and out of violence. I understand that I am under stress by trying to avoid the situation, as well as my roommate as he points his fingers and raises his voice. To remove the conversation from its close proximity to violence and return back to respect, I must tread carefully. To start, I must change my tone of voice and start to apologize.
Hey, man, I'm sorry to call you out on your habits like that.
Now I need to add to the pool of shared meaning.
I know that you like journaling and that maybe you can stop whenever. And I don't mean to be rude about quitting, and I definitely don't want to fight. I've just been reading a lot in the news, and it's talking about the health issues related to Juuls. Like, people are dying out there because of it. And I just don't want to see something bad happen to my boy because of it.
In my change of action, I started with an apology, then stated what I desired not to happen, and finished by telling him my concerns and what my original desire was. After stating my pathway and contributing to the pool of meaning, now I want his side of the story and his contribution.
I mean, like, I don't know how I feel about the whole drooling issue, but, like, I apologize on my behalf.
Nah, that's alright, man. I've been kind of scared about it too. I've been reading up on it as well.
Really? How was that?
Well, I know I said earlier in the video that I can quit whenever, but honestly, I don't think I can. And I've been getting kind of a bad cough as well.
Oh, dude, do you need any, like, help or anything, or, like, any tea?
Honestly, I might, dog. I know I got pretty defensive when you first called me out about it, but I've been fighting this idea of addiction and what it's doing to me. And quite honestly, I'm scared.
Yo, dog, that's, like, super deep.
Yeah, sorry, man. I didn't really mean to call you out on your smells. I was just trying to get back at you for, attacking me about drooling. It's nothing personal.
Oh, it's okay, bro.
I love you.